In this video, today we are going to learn how are imperative sentences changed into passive voice. You know that imperative sentences are the sentences which show command, request, suggestion, advice, etc. etc. So let us see how are these sentences changed into passive voice. You know that first of all, identification is very important. So before changing a sentence, you must identify the type of sentence, what kind of sentence it is. According to the identification, I have distributed the sentences in 7 types. First type of sentence is that which starts with main verb and after that object. How is this sentence changed into passive voice? In the structure of passive voice, you will write the sentence. First of all, you will write let object be third form of the verb and other remaining words. For example, such that open the door immediately. Let the door be opened immediately. Second type of sentence is negative sentence which starts with don't or do not. The structure of this sentence in active voice is don't plus main verb plus object plus remaining words. When you will write this sentence into passive voice, what will be your structure? Let plus object plus not plus be plus third form of the verb and remaining words. For example, don't open the door. What will be the sentence in passive voice? Let plus let the door not be opened. The third type of sentence is that which starts always or never, main verb, object plus remaining words, and this sentence will be written in passive voice. Let plus object plus always or never plus be plus third form plus remaining words. For example, always speak the truth. What will be the sentence in passive voice? Let the truth always be spoken. Second example of this sentence is never tell a lie. What will be the sentence in passive voice? Let a lie never be told. Clear? The fourth type of sentence in active voice starts with please. That sentence will be written in passive voice starting with you are requested to plus same sentence. Means the remaining sentence is not changed. All the other words are written as the same. For example, please come here. You will write you are requested to in place of please, and the sentence remaining sentence come here will be the same. So answer will be you are requested to come here. Clear? Sentence number 5. When a sentence of active voice starts with please don't or please do not, you will write you are requested not to in place of please do not or please don't, and the remaining sentence will be the same. For example, please don't walk here. What will be the answer? You are requested not to walk here. Walk here will be the same. Next type of sentence is very important. You must pay attention to it very seriously. When object is not given in a sentence. Here I would like to tell you some students feel very difficult to find out an object in a sentence. I will give you a trick to seek the object in a sentence. यदि आपको ऑब्जेक्ट ढूंढने में सेंटेंस में प्रॉब्लम होती है, कभी कभी सेंटेंस बहुत लंबा होता है और उसमें ऑब्जेक्ट आपको नहीं पता होता है, तो वर्ब के साथ में जब आप क्या और किसको से प्रश्न करेंगे तो फिर आपको ऑब्जेक्ट मिल जाएगा. जैसे ब्रिंग ए ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, क्या लाना है? ए ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. ए ग्लास ऑफ वाटर विल बी द ऑब्जेक्ट. डोंट बीट हिम, किसको नहीं पीटना है? हिम, उसको. हिम विल बी द object. So there are some sentences which have no object. These sentences are written in passive voice by adding your advised, ordered or suggested to in the beginning of the sentence, and the remaining sentence will be the same. For example, don't walk here. In this sentence there is no object. What will be the sentence in passive voice? You are advised or you are ordered not to walk here. Next and last type of sentence, there are some imperative sentences which already starts with let. Let plus indirect object plus main verb plus direct object and other words, remaining words. Direct object is, indirect object is the person and the direct object is the thing. Pay attention to it. डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट कोई वस्तु होती है और इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट कोई व्यक्ति होता है. This sentence is written in passive voice. Let plus direct object means objects will be transferred, their place will be interchanged. Direct object will be written here and indirect object will be written here after by. The complete structure is that let plus direct object plus be plus third form of the main verb plus by plus indirect object. Clear? For example, let Mohan read the book. What will be the sentence? क्या हुआ? Let Mohan read the book. What will be the sentence in passive voice? Let the book be read by Mohan. One more example. Let him write the letter. Let him write the letter. This is the structure of active voice, and the structure of passive voice will be let the letter be written by him. So this is the complete video for imperative sentences. Revise it again and again and watch this video at least 3 times to understand the imperative sentences. Thank you.